Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to insert a physical and eSIM into any iPhone. So I'm going to start off with eSIM. This will take 30 seconds. Keep in mind this only supports iPhone XR, XS and any newer model of iPhone. So if you have iPhone 10 and older, eSIM doesn't work. So all you do is you open up the camera app on the iPhone. You're trying to have the SIM card recognized on. Then you will need another device or a physical piece of paper with a QR code for your eSIM. So you can get this via email, you can get this in store with a piece of paper with the QR code. So all you do is you place the QR code in the frame of the camera and you see that one data plan. You just tap on the yellow where you see the data plan, it will open up the settings app and then from there follow the on-screen instructions and the eSIM will be set up. Now if we're doing the physical SIM card, here's what we're going to do. So if you have a case on your iPhone, just make sure you remove the case like so. And then from here, if you have the box, get your box. You're going to find the Design by Apple in California. Open this one up. You just want to find the SIM ejector tool right here. If you do not have the box or you don't have the SIM ejector tool, then all you need to do is get a pin or get a paper clip, or if you don't have either of those, you just need to buy a SIM ejector tool here. Okay, these cost like £1. You probably get them from eBay, nice and cheap. I have an eBay link in the description if you really need to buy one. So from here, you just want to find where the SIM card is. So for me, the SIM card tray on the iPhone 12 mini, for example, is on the left hand side, and so you'll have this outline and a little hole right there. Now on this other iPhone, this is iPhone 7, you can see on the right hand side, you see that little outline and the hole. That is on the iPhone 7 right here. So depending on the iPhone, the location may be different. But regardless of where the location is, you just want to insert the thin end of the SIM ejector tray or the pin into the hole of the SIM card tray. And once it's in there, you're going to push down with a lot of force. Push down, push down, push down, keep on pushing. And once you feel that click, you'll feel click. You see the SIM card tray has partially been ejected, and you don't need to put any more force with the SIM card tool. So I'm going to do the same for the iPhone 7 here, okay? Just insert in the hole, push down, push down, push down. Once you feel that click, you can release. Do keep in mind that if for whatever reason you accidentally insert the SIM card tray in the wrong hole, maybe you do like, let's say, the speaker grills, it won't actually matter because Apple, they put protection in the holes what you're not meant to put the SIM card tray into as a safety precaution. So from here, regardless of the model, get your fingernails and just push out the SIM card tray. Okay, so we'll do that on the iPhone 7 as well. Boom. Okay, now depending on the model, inserting the SIM card is a bit different. So for the most part, it's the same. The main part is actually getting the SIM card into the SIM card tray. Okay, so here is the deal. You just want to get your SIM card, right, and make sure that the notch here, so you see that notch is matching the notch in the SIM card tray. You want to place it down and make sure when you place it down that the SIM card fits in flush. Okay, so if you rub your finger, it feels flush. Now if it doesn't feel flush, that means you're having the SIM card in the wrong orientation. Okay, so if I try like this, you can see it's not fitting in flushly. I'm struggling to place the SIM card in. That's because the SIM card is in the wrong orientation. So just flip it around. Okay, and then just insert the SIM like so. Okay, on the iPhone 12 mini or any newer iPhone, same process, just make sure this fits in flushly, right? Rub your finger and it should feel flush. And then from here, you just want to find where the hole is. Okay, so in my case, the hole is facing downwards to the bottom, and you check on your iPhone, is the hole facing to the bottom or to the top? So mine's facing to the bottom here. So I'm going to make sure that the SIM card tray is facing to the bottom. And then you just want to insert the SIM card tray back in like so. Now on this iPhone, okay, SIM card tray is also facing to the bottom as well. So I'm going to get the SIM card tray, make sure the hole is facing towards the bottom, which it is, and just push it back in, and just like that, we're good to go. So regardless of the iPhone model, you can now put back on the case, and you can see here on this iPhone now have 4G, cellular data is fully working. This SIM card I inserted into my iPhone 7 isn't operational yet, so I see the no service right here. So you've now successfully inserted the SIM card. Well done. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.